me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8 mo ye too much na me so me ye am fire.
Too much age, Moson for Muniaba, a PSC Capa, and so minimum a day a year a year, and I can't wahala Jumede, and a bre asosamede, ever some asher form, any etia for said Dana die, and Namonin say, and some ever say, dear Namiji, Judge, and I just say, I was say a train, something in a yesterday, any Abasani, a pet, a yen, Pumasibre, our year may now I was your form. And no more elcoso, and someone elcoso elwa a yo, my Ghana, a moon as so we and say you can't a day extra war. Say, I won't be a nano and chess or may, and we a dinko, and no man and prefer yen no man, and would assume I say and Cassette, one more pet a year Ghana, or my Ghana a fumble, or more pet or my Ghana a year asher, one more pet a year or my Ghana say a bed than you to say the ebinum a year than air canoe. Now I was your dainty and I make us a year and same way I just a year general secretary, Eddie Emma, a year political party, I just say, a war a year or my Ghana, you and Muno just say, what you a yes, Kapupu drum, a day are my a year, no much as a Becca chair, one more a year huge bodies, a banner said a kind of stout. I'm one more just say, hey, Metro men. One more pajan and ya who say, hey, where would you jayo? Ye for one more to say body gas, no, and then they just say, I brand TV and the dean, a day a year nash. What Bob wanting at the insane abba to a jana, yenya a year nash. Ekba abonti and not just wobe confessing a year dear a year political party be general secretary a day atune any much as a was to say and our drink and as a what person 1 year a year coming 2020 December 7th a year about one was just 1 year a year manash at the name some no echo to a jar a year papa a year or chinoko a sure 1 year no as one now ebusia form yen manash at in some no to a jar just say one not dear one him say Bano said and Nadia Peja training Jim no home corner badia and one and our name a unianum one more a day a year. Now Ebusian watch so much as a one more hour one a year when I'm so what would you make the anything and penny for politicians at a one more asem Banner said one more poem the one more at the woman chiako baby a hand said the bear any bibinia one more by Gina on my god the woman said your bonibi and two one more and I said you maybe saying to one more young performer than the politicians them one more Eddie a year and so was a brem and a brebiana ebusuye ni abema no echiremwan wo honum na eye general secretary ede ema eye bigger political party e wo Ghana ha efrenum e ka kire ne se watua eye 300 Ghana cedis ede ato na account mo a chese eye ehwehweye ede se sika no hono eno ne advance payment awode ema no ehwehweye ede sika awode ama no that 300 Ghana cedis no for an advance payment eye se 2020 about to one call now one call page a year ballot boxes. Abusian one call now one call page a year ballot boxes. Police stations are just a one more ever assigning one more say one more encopo this a year juman. Now you know about money children. Sikana na a year involved no crown was an insult to him. Did the attempt a day Emma no send the same won't say one no crumple training our year. And no much as a one more extra a year crumple no that's the kind of one more day Emma no that amount of money now more at the Emma no. So one from Conco pages our ballot buses in the crumple. Within a week no crumple what me spended that money, that amount for all those training a year normal one more a use one and a BM crumple. One nim say Ghana eda na koma so na Ghana ebo a won no so ne da busu ayeden eti wo mani mu bi ni nuanom wo ho ni ne wo fa ase no ayeden e wo enti wo place Ghana first before eye wo no no ne interest enti wo susu sem ye nipa no krampo na wono ne de se sika na e ma ne so wonko di se adwuma no kwa no ano no wondwen eye Ghana ehun enti wo bi a wondwen Ghana ehun de wontimi no enye de entu eye anamonsa enye ye no susu ka ho bi ene ma no reject eye that offer na abusua wo chema eye general secretary kro ne de wontimi emfa ne din enye dem entu eye edwa esanse se dini nya ba bonti se kim ene na chese ya asem ena aba asem ena ye den aba eye obuman Ghana emu enti wenfa eye edi no antu edwa na emom wode antu edwa kire eye Ghana fo ese mama ye ni na ho ni titu eni ni nuanu mu achese wo mu epeja enade achese wo mu ewo eye huge bodies a wo mu betimi agina aye bibia no wode ehye wo mu enkuran se dabi enye bibia ene wo se wode wutumi anasa wode wa ho ode nyame adomo no eye bisa wo body wa build eye wo body that doesn't mean say fakoko dibone fakoko ye bibiti a wankasa wo manya wo ye de wutimo enti ba wo ba bontem enye se obi ani ngwase bi ene wo ba bebo na mom eye kokopa wo de ema ni nuanom se wo mama wo wani na honom na wo ma eye politician bia amfa sika anda da wo mo ama wo mo abrabo ankwa ye basa because say ye so mu na eye wentimi amfa eye ndwane se de se na fatam na ye so mu ne ye chewa kai hunu se eye den asa panyi no enya de se wo beja obeye de wo beyi nanim ade aba se eye wo no ene bo wo pa enti ye nja wo anase se enti no wo de eye afuto we atu eje edwa na ebusuafo mo maye hwade o se eye no kore ampa se de ye nua be manash okay se eye general secretary bi ene man sika wo tia advance 300 Ghana cedis say December 7th won kofa eye ballot box enfa enjane se ne ebe ya che se abato no ebe ye komsa ye hu so ne ebe ye basa na ne se ebe sa ye re-election se den ye odi wo mo wo mo tiri manu to wo mo pese wo mo tu sa na monde obi entimi je na se ye no kore se sikatwe bi akoso sa na eye for that reason eye abato we enti edia enye na empanimfo a ye yi wo mo so mo ye empanimfo wo mo eti wo mai mo mu bu o me no wo mu bu o man se because general secretary mu a etimi di sa abone fo semi anase se wadi sa abone fo semi ana watu sa anamon we ya does it mean say Ghana ye save ana se sa no we ekoso enti wo man Ghana ye wadachi bi ye wo empanimfo bi wo mo dwen ye ho ye amaye ye penimputu ana ye peniseye na se abrantie yi nso enya de se wo bia ma wusika na se wo ba abontia ba beka e na wo de agi edin a wo ka we no na wo susu anya dan e na de afrim wo beka egu obi ehun fi wo beka ase wo bi sika bi na echi ose beka fagu obi hu fi beka fagu amanyoko bi ehun efi a wo nso wo ba abontia ba beka sa eye ensem we na den na wo susu anya e de afrim da bi o se mo ma ye ndwen o enye bibia na wo se ye di sika edi akire ye di like ye tua ye kentino na ye na ye kukukukuku na ye tua na mo bi na ye na chese ye di gidi anase ye di se wo bi o abusua se de wo mai ekoi ehe na wo mai Ghana ye gina tifi ye gina na fo ye gina toye anase ye gina hefa ehe na ye gina from anase enso no enya amene ye akayeti abusua se de nsam no ekọ no we de meto edema mo hwa abranti no kura bi na woka na se ye no kura so dia ene na eden anamonto be ene ye nhwe entu se de be ya sanyoma we entimi enye den enkoso fo ade nhwe no eba e wo tuma GH comment section e bi mo like videos na share e all the social media platform as follow yen e wo ye IG page tuma GH_ meeting e de akwesi kapadasene ye be sane share makram.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa oman Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam, I love you.
The major prophet Chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na ura.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire.